Once again, welcome to Engineers World Online, and in this video we are showing some of the gestures in Android 10 Oxygen OS OnePlus phones, and I'm showing now in OnePlus Node phone. Okay, and we can check out by go to the settings of the phone. I must first go to the settings, and from the settings of this OnePlus phone running on Oxygen OS, that is Android 10 Oxygen, you can check out here buttons and gestures. You can see the option buttons and gestures. You must simply click that one, that is buttons and gestures, and here you can see that quick gestures. You can see you must click in the quick gestures, and here 3 finger screenshot. You must simply turn on like this. And now if you simply move your 3 fingers in any part of the screen, okay, I'll show you. You may move 3 fingers like this. You must simply move your 3 fingers, then the screenshot will be automatically taken. So that is the gesture one, and if you click it, you can expose it. Then the another one is that we must once again going to the gestures. You can see that the double tap to wake, tap the screen touch to wake up the device. So if we turn on this, and now our device is locked now, and 1 2 you can see that the device have been waked up. Then another option is the music control, that is draw 2 lines with your 2 fingers to play or pause music. So you can play music, or you can change the track, etc. After locking the screen, you can simply draw like this or draw like this, or you can play by doing this. Now some other settings also, that is draw or draw V, draw S, draw M, draw W, etc. And if you set a draw or to turn on the flashlight, you must choose the turn on of flashlight from here like this. And now we must lock the screen, and I am going to draw O here, and you can see that the back side the torchlight have been automatically turned on. Similarly, now we are going to select the draw, and from here we choose among the arms open camera. If we go open camera, now we are going to lock the screen, and we draw O here once again like this, and now you can see that the camera is open. For more videos like this, subscribe Engineers World Online. Thank you.